Hi guys, it is softmemeware here, and in this video I will show you the product elite listings from inside. Okay, so firstly let me give you a very much big thank you to watching this video, to giving your valuable time to watch this video. So in this video I will show you the elite listing product from inside, and I will give you a detailed review about this product, and also I will show you my bonuses, my good and huge valuable bonuses that will be given to you with this product totally free once you have purchased this product from my buttons, from my website, link from my website. Okay, so there are two ways to getting this product. You can get this product there are three ways you can get this product from. Totally only this product you can get only this product within the exact price, within 10.95 bucks, or you can get this product within 10.95 bucks with some bonuses, some other from some other affiliates. Or what you can do, that you can check out my bonuses, you can purchase it from my website. Okay, so let me show you the product from inside. So inside this product you will be given so much valuable knowledges about email marketing and how you can grow your list, how you can make money passively and daily, and a good decent valued money. Okay, kind of more than 100 bucks on a daily basis. Okay, so I have gone through the courses, and there were so many things that was pretty much new to me, and these knowledges are really valuable. As you can see, this guy has also cleared the solo ad tips, and this is very good thing inside email marketing and inside make money online tips. So you can you can build list via solo ads also, and that list will be also totally buyers list, and you can make a good profit, a good money from that list. And all of the knowledge is given here, and you can go through all of the knowledges after purchasing the product. You can pause the video and you can check out all of the topics of the video, then you can purchase it. Or otherwise what you can do, that you can directly purchase it, then you can check out the tool and the knowledges. Okay, I have gone through some of them, and I am really obliged by this course, and there are some resources also given inside this tool. Once you have clicked them, you will be directed to that page, to that exact page, and what you should do from that page, all of the steps given inside the video, and you can follow the steps. Okay, so that was the product, and let me show you now ratings now on all of the steps. So inside contents given, it has got 97%. Inside value for money, it has got 97%. Market hits 93, overall 9.7. I never consider market hits inside value overall section. And this tool is very much cheap. You can purchase it within just 10 bucks and 95 cents. This is the launch period, and you will be given good bonuses from my side also. So after 3 hours the product will be on Downsell, and you can get the base price within as soon as possible by you can purchase it, and this button will redirect you to my bonuses and also the product. Okay, so let me now show you my bonuses. So you can go through the sales funnel if you want to, and you can check out all of the upsells of this product, and I want you to visit this page to get this product also. This is my wish also. So these are the upsells, and let me clear you the titles only. Elite listings 50 done for you, ready mailers 9.95 bucks, and VIP access, and it has also a downsell. The upsell tool also has a downsell. Elite listings elite access 17 bucks, and the upsell 3 is listing reseller rights, lifetime limitless 197 bucks, and the last one is lifetime plus 5 297 bucks. Okay, so let me show you now what bonuses. Inside case studies, you will be given 4 live case studies that can help you very much to grow you online. Inside Facebook help, you will be given some Facebook tips and tools also. Inside YouTube helps, you will be given some YouTube tools also. Inside PC games, you will be given 5 PC games, and that will be very much good for break your monotonous life. And my favorite personal is Plant vs Zombies. And inside ebooks, you will be given some ebooks, and inside upsell bonuses you will be given more if you purchase any upsell product, any any product. This is apart from the front-end product. Okay, so you will be given more. As the upsell costs more, you will be given more bonuses and more costlier bonuses also. So 200 plus softwares, you will be given 75 plus plugin, 1k plus high quality graphics images, 1.46k doodle character images, 100 plus miscellaneous products with resale rights, and also 3 PC games, but it is restricted to first 10 members only. And let me show you that what you have to do. After purchasing the product from these buttons, you have to go through your purchase history option. Inside your purchase history option, you will be given this blue button, this access affiliate bonus blue button. From this button, you will be given my bonuses. You will be given my bonus link, and that link will show you my bonuses. So that is the only way to get the bonuses, and I think I have cleared you the product now. So I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.